Welcome to Learning Bites. We're looking at the customer experience, particularly from the perspective of your delivery people. Now, one of the amazing opportunities you've got as a business is that the delivery people have client contact. They'll often get to meet and greet a client, and they'll be delivering something to their client that their client wants to receive. What are you doing as a business to collect the feedback from your delivery people? There they are meeting and connecting with your clients, and very often your clients will be giving unfiltered feedback to them. They might be saying, oh, flip, it's about time this blooming well got here. Oh, I hope this isn't wrong again. Or they might be going, oh man, I love you guys. You're so amazing. Everything's here when you want it to be here. When was the last time you actually collected feedback from your delivery people? Do you have a system in place where they can rapidly feedback to the team to go, hey, that customer's a bit upset. Maybe somebody should just give them a follow-up call, or that customer was really delighted. That'd be great to get a customer testimonial from. You see, when we take advantage of every customer contact that we have, and we enforce inside our team, and we educate our team around how to make the most of those experiences, but also how to be aware when perhaps we're not meeting standard, or when we want to capture the fact that we have met a standard, then the whole team is more aware and more aligned to ensuring that the customer experience is amazing. They know what the standard is, and they know when they've met it, and they know when they haven't. But more than that, they know that as a whole team, we want to be delighting the customer. And when we haven't, they know what we need to do, or what we can do to do the repair work that might be needed, or what we could do to capture a testimonial or a case study that might just be at the right place at the right time. Action point for you is to actually put a system in place where you can connect with your delivery people, where they can feedback rapidly what they're hearing as they're going out and about, to get their thoughts and opinions on what little things you could do that would make the delivery experience that little bit better, that exceptional wow moment for your customers, because often you don't need to do much to stand out. Here's to your success. If any of this resonated with you, or you'd like any additional information or help, please do feel free to get in touch with us. Our website is www.thinkrite.co.nz, or email mike@thinkrite.co.nz, or feel free to give me a call 0272 987 523. Here's to your success.